Karin Santillan's birthday contest. Okay, and sige, bago tayo magsimula sa ating program today, we would like to request the birthday celebrant to give us a few words of pasasalamat.
Salamat sa lahat ng nag-join, salamat sa lahat ng bumate. Hindi ko idea itong video na to. Pero thank you sa baby ko. I like the moves, so it's very, very
Tama na yan,
nice.
tama na yan.
Thank you!
Okay, so ayan.
First prize.
Tapos na yung mga formalities. We would like to draw the first prize. Ang ating first prize ay...
Bracelet and...
hindi first prize na yung unang pinakamagaling na prize pero it's like...
the first...
yung unang ibibigay na premyo ay...
bracelet and keys and ketay strap.
And bracelet and mobile phone strap. So, ang gagabutin na natin ang premyo. Okay. So, ayan na. I'm not looking. Okay. Sandali, ang dami kong nahahawakan. Isang dapat. Ayan. Sige. Okay, so ang winner ng ating bracelet ay si
Baliktad kasi.
si Orema. Orema, you won this bracelet. Congratulations. Yay!
Yay! Next, another bracelet.
Another bracelet. Ito naman ay ang bracelet na mukhang tubig. Tubig. Couple girl. Couple girl.
Gosh! Birthday ko! I shouldn't be working.
Nagiging mahante yung tawa kapag may birthday. Meron tayong choice dyan. Especially yung mga elepante, walang choices yun eh.
Kaya init eh.
Ang hirap naman ito!
Gosh! Bilis,
Okay.
no?
Winner of this bracelet is... Soy!
Soy!
Congratulations, Soy! Happy birthday to you!
Next is...
Okay, next is journal. Ito, ginawa to ni Karin. Kahapon lang ito natapos. So, we will give the prize to... Hindi talaga ako tumitingin. Although, you must remember that elephants have a very, very good memory. Ayan. Kasi itong... sige. Okay. And the winner of our journal is Enrico. Congratulations, Enrico! Yay!
Oops! Lalaglag ko na. Isa pang journal.
Isa pang journal. Ano pareho doon yung tsura? Kumuha pa ako ng isa pa, no? Okay. One more. Uy, natatandaan mo itong ano?
Ayan mo. Kasi nakapag-video ko, diba?
Ayaw nga wala. I stop it. Okay. And ang ating another journal wins. Another journal wins. The other winner is si Bugsy B. Congratulations, Bugsy B. Yay!
Okay. Ang PPCDs.
Okay, ito siguro, I don't know kung kailangan talaga ito, pero may nagre-request ng special gift pa tayo eh.
Ng PPCDs.
Ng PPCD. Yan, magagaling yung mga yan. Hindi ako yun ha, kasi ako ay elepante.
Bilis. You're not
Okay.
looking.
Hindi pala ako titingin dapat kasi naaalala ko yun ano. Just with one look, para akong si Matt Damon sana.
We just watched Good Will Hunting.
Okay, winner of the PPCD is Bean. Ben. Bean. Congratulations. Yeah.
Yay. Okay, last.
And another WPCD. Last prize na to ha. Last prize na to. I'm sure hindi to si Rio. Ay, okay lang ba na parehong prize? Anyway,
parehong
congratulations. Congratulations kay Soy. Congratulations.
Thank
Oh, ayan.
you.
Tapos sandali lang ha. So, sa ating birthday girl,
Ay,
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Wa. I'm the elephant. And papahuli na kami sa pulis ng mga kababayan namin na kami may